Chyrpe is a dating app that positions itself as a platform for powerful women and those who admire them, aiming to foster female-led relationships while actively rejecting traditional patriarchal values and misogyny. It's available on both the Play Store and App Store, which gives it a layer of credibility and safety. And the app maintains an active social media presence along with transparent support. Contact details, something not all dating apps provide. Chyrpe offers some standout features like the Power Board, which gives women control over conversations, and the profile feedback function, designed to help men refine their profiles for better matches. These features are definitely unique, and seem to align with the app's vision of creating a more respectful and empowering dating space. However, the execution of this concept raises a few eyebrows. Online reviews are quite mixed, with several users appreciating the app's intentions but also reporting concerns about fake profiles and whether the platform genuinely sticks to its core values over time. Some users felt the heavy moderation borders on being too controlling, possibly limiting the natural flow of conversations. Overall, Chyrpe is an interesting concept with solid intentions and a few clever features, but its real-world effectiveness may vary depending on what users are looking for. It's not a scam, but it might not fully live up to everyone's expectations either.